Good morning, sir. We are here in front presenting our project development program called Comprehensive Fire Alarm System for the Consolatory College of Toledo City Incorporated. As all we know that our communities grows faster. People build houses, buildings, and even school buildings. With this rapid growth of development, there is an increased need of early warning fire alarm system. That's why we build this system because fire disaster is a great threat to human lives and properties. Fire alarm detection system is a system that can give early warning to people or occupants from a building or to their houses for a safe evacuation and immediate notify the firefighters. Moreover, the system will use for the C++ for coding and Arduino Uno and fire sensor, fire flame sensor for the physical devices. For further discussion, I will give you to Ms. Libre.
These are the physical devices of our program. Arduino Uno, the main source of our program. Flame sensor, to detect the presence of flame or fire. Relay, to control the high voltage circuits with an Arduino. Buzzer, sound alarm. Resistor, to reduce the counterflow and terminate transmission lines. LED light, male and female wires, jumper wires, breadboard.
As a technician, I establish the device according to its functions. We set the flame sensor to 30 cm distance from a fire and then we'll test this.
The design and development of a comprehensive fire alarm management system is a tool used to detect fires at all locations in a building. Many houses and buildings don't have a fire alarm system, so we need to design a fire alarm system using Arduino Uno and other components. For life safety, it saves lives by warning building occupants to detect fires early so it can help people for a safe evacuation and immediately notify the firemen. That's all. Thank you.
That's all for